Hey guys, Monty here with Kaizen, giving you guys an improvement video made to our Eco Rinse in our darkroom for when washing out screens. So recently we just updated our light table to expose our screens at 10 seconds. That way we have a better stencil. Our lines hold a little bit more detail, and they're just hardening a little bit better. That way we're not getting any blowouts as we are printing. So because we increased our exposure time, we're having emulsion still left in our screen here when washing out, whether that was mainly our 160s, which was our base, and sometimes on our 200s as well, which caused for over processing and having to use the water hose here once Eco Rinse was done. But the Eco Rinse has, you know, multiple things that you can adjust in the recipe area. So here is our main, which is what we use most of the time as our recipe. And so as you can see, our main has a pump pressure at 3. It had 0 post-rinse strokes and only has 4 wash strokes. So what I did was we went over here to, and I just added another recipe. So if you click here, you'll see that it's zeroed out. But I added one called main V2 to see, you know, just so I didn't want to erase our original, but what I did was I just copied the original into a new recipe. And I added 2 more strokes to the wash stroke, and I added 2 post-rinse strokes. And then I also bumped the pump pressure all the way up to 4. And I ran another 160, same screen as before, to see if I would have to use a water hose. And this is our final result here. With no water hose, we have a nice clear screen with no emulsion inside of that. So that's quite a bit of an improvement. No over processing, can go right on the rack. Thanks for watching.